In this video, we will discuss how to create account in ChatGPT and how to find a lot of content from it per YouTube and blog and so on. This is very simple to create account. You can go to the any browser and type OpenAI. You can click on the first option, openai.com. You can extract a lot of content from it that use any of them. There's a copyright free content. And scroll down this page. The option is here. You can click on ChatGPT. Another interface is available here. You can scroll down and try ChatGPT. Click on that. This is open another tab. Before I log in here, any content you can create here. Example, I am typing here how to earn money. Online and hit enter. This is a lot of content can generated in 1 second. This is very easily.